Hello guys, welcome back to your app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix out of stock problem on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're having the out of stock problem on your Shopify store, there might be a few things that you might want to check here. So first is you want to check your product here and see if you have enough in your store. So in this case, for example, if you have a digital product or you're selling any digital product, I would suggest you to first check your this case your product itself, and you want to scroll down a bit here, and if you want to track the quantity on your product, you go and click on track quantity. But if you don't need that, like for example you're selling like digital products, you could go ahead and disable this one, and that would actually allow you to basically sell that product without tracking the quantity, and that would actually make the product available to your customers. But next is if you're tracking your quantity here, you want to make sure that you have enough on your specific product that you have here. So just an example for all locations I have right now. I have two locations here. I have the Cebu and Shop location. So we have 100 on all locations, but we select the appropriate one here. As you can see for this one, we have 100, which in this case allows us to sell 100 items for that. But if you go to other locations, like for example, someone is accessing your website on that specific location, you need to make sure that you also have like enough quantity for that location. But if someone is just ordering from your online store, and you could go ahead and just enable a few things here, which in this case you want to go to your settings at the bottom left. So let's go and save this one first. Let's go to our settings at the bottom left here. And from here, you want to go ahead and open up your locations here. And in here, you want to go ahead and select your location. Now, from here, you could go ahead and enable the following option here, which is use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. So in this case, this location doesn't have any items on it, but I could go ahead and turn this on and click on save. And you could go and set up the shipping, local delivery as well here. And also, you could go to your shop location here and do the same thing. Make sure this is enabled, but by default, this is going to be enabled, so you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so in this case, that's a fix that you can do here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Up. Thank you for watching.